Apples didn't start as the perfect red fruit you see in supermarkets. Thousands of years ago, they were small, sour, and unpredictable. They grew wild in the mountains of Central Asia. If you bit into one, it wasn't dessert. It was survival food. Sharp, dry, sometimes almost bitter. But something about them made humans keep coming back. Their seeds could survive long journeys. Birds carried them. Traders moved them. Over time, apples followed humans across continents, quietly changing along the way. As apples spread, they didn't stay the same. Over time, they became more and more diverse. Each variety has its own personality. A Granny Smith is bright and tart. A Fuji is sweet like honey. A Honeycrisp is famous for its explosive crunch. Today, there are more than 7,500 known apple varieties around the world. What's your favorite kind of apple?